Alright, so today we got a 2-inch 300 series. We're going to be doing a full repair kit on it, and we're going to begin by completely disassembling the entire valve. So we'll go ahead and get started with that now. I'm going to put it in my vise and start off by taking off the end cap. Set it to the side. Crack the ball open a little bit and you can get your finger under the seat. Go ahead and take the seat and the seal out together. And close the valve all the way and you can remove the ball. We're going to go to the other side. The seat already fell out of this side. Alright, now we can take off our handle, our stem nut, and go ahead and take out the stem. I'm going to take a flathead and a hammer and beat down the locking tab that's locking the nut on. And then take our 15/16, which is the same wrench I used to take off the top nut that holds the handle on. If the stem turns with the nut, just take your handle back and hold the stem in place and you can turn the nut and loosen it. And you can just push it down. So we've got our thrust bearing here and our baton O-ring. That stuff needs to come off. And then this packing follower right here needs to come out. And then this is where our stem packing is. We're going to take that out. So I've got our new stuff lined up right here. It does go in a specific order. There is a bottom, which is the bottom part of the stem packing is 4 total pieces. The bottom piece is going to be flat on the bottom and kind of mountainy on the top. You'll feel a heel on there. That's the very bottom piece. The middle piece is going to be hollow on the bottom and kind of mountainy on the top. That'll go right on top of the bottom piece. And then our top piece is going to be hollow on the bottom and flat on the top. And then the very tip top piece is going to be our thrust washer. That's going to go on the very top. All right, now we can put our new baton O-ring and our thrust bearing on the stem. Start with the thrust bearing. It has to go on first. And then just work the baton O-ring on there best you can. Man, that's rough. All right, and it's going to fit in a little groove down here right above the thrust bearing. You'll see it fall into place, just like so. Then we can go ahead and put our stem back in the valve. Keep your stem packing in the same order. Go ahead and put it on. Then next is our packing follower. Our 2 bevel washers. And then our locking tab. And then the stem nut. And then once again, you can use your handle to hold the stem still while you tighten the stem nut. It just needs to be very, very snug, not too tight. And we'll bend our locking tab in place, just one side. Alright, we can put our ball back in now. Go ahead and open the valve with the ball in there. And then we can start putting our seats and seals back in. I like to put my seat in first. And then our brand new seal. There's a little groove there for it right on the outside. It's going to fit very snugly in there. And then we can put one end cap back on. Then we can go to our other side. Start with the seat. You can give it a few very, very light love taps if you'd like, just to get it down in there. Then we can put our second end cap back on. We can put our handle back on now. Alright, now I'm going to tighten up both sides. When you're tightening up each end cap, the valve needs to be closed. After you get both sides snug, just tighten them to the torque spec specified, and then that's it.